around 90% of people who were on the other side of the screen invested money into my business. My name is Oskar Kaszyński and I'm CEO of Studio Filmowe Panika. Studio Filmowe Panika is a film production company. We do commercials, we do feature films, and we also rent our shooting hall to other customers. We also organize events and concerts. Recently, a large milestone has happened in my company. I changed into a joint stock company and started to sell our shares. It took 3 months. During this time, I had a lot of face-to-face meetings with my investors, but sometimes I couldn't meet with them personally because they were all around the world. And that's how I discovered ClickMeeting and could tell them about my business model online. People have invested in my business because they believed in it, but thanks to ClickMeeting, I had opportunity to provide them all information that led to this investment. I love on ClickMeeting how fast and easy it is. You don't need to download any software to your computer or mobile phone. You just go to the website and go through. It was very easy both for me and my audience. They just joined the room and we could start our conversation. Also, the quality of picture and sound was very good, so it's also a good point. The most important feedback I had was invested money that appeared on my account right after a webinar on ClickMeeting. I would recommend ClickMeeting as it's the easiest way I have discovered to be in contact with large number of people at the same time.